Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card to the Smits app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your credit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Smits app. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper left-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Wallet and click on Wallet. Now, click on Add Card. And then this is where you can enter your credit card, debit card, gift card, or Snap EBT. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card to the Smits app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.